Hey friends, I have another book today about some musical opposites, loud and soft, and it's another Buzz and Ollie adventure. So let's get into it. Buzz and Ollie went out to play. It seemed to be just a usual day. Buzz said to Ollie, "What shall we do?" To which Ollie replied, "It's all up to you. We could stay here at home, but Dad is asleep. We could only use soft voices, or not even make a peep. I want to go someplace where I have a choice. I don't want to talk softly. I like my loud voice. How about the park? There's a lot of noise there. We can whisper or shout, and no one will care." Off to the park they went in a flash, but before they could get there they heard a loud crash. They turned rather quickly, the cause of the noise to see. What made the crash? Oh, what could it be? There by the car that crashed into a tree was one little kitten. No two, no three. Each little kitten, covered with bright orange fur, seemed to say, "I am frightened," with every soft purr. The lady from the car knew just what to do. In a nice soft voice she said, "I'll care for you." Buzz and Ollie went on their way, knowing that the kittens would soon be okay. There were so many sounds when they got to the park. They heard a loud noise. It was a dog's bark. The dog, named Forte, followed them all around. He barked and he yelped, and he knocked Ollie down. His owner called him back as he threw the dog a ball. The man shouted, "Here, boy!" and he responded to the call. Buzz and Ollie continued to play. They were having the most wonderful day, when all of a sudden, before their eyes, they came upon a great surprise. Just up ahead was a hole big and round, and out of the hole there came a soft sound. "Listen, Ollie, do you hear that? There's a cave in there. Maybe it's a bat." "I want to find out what that noise could be. I'm going to go in. Will you go in with me?" Buzz and Ollie carefully slipped out of sight. It sure was lucky Buzz had his flashlight. They tiptoed in, not making a sound. Still hearing a noise, they looked around, and all of a sudden, just straight ahead, was a baby bear, all snug in his bed. Now the noise was louder than before, but soon they realized it was just the bear's snore. Ollie said to Buzz, "Boy, this is great. I've never seen a bear hibernate." Just as she said that, Buzz dropped the light. It made such a noise the bear woke with a fright, and all of a sudden that soft little snore turned into a giant baby bear roar. The roar was so loud the cave began to shake, and soon it was clear Daddy Bear was awake. He jumped from his bed to check on his son. Buzz and Ollie really wanted to run. They said, "We're so sorry, we just came to play. Our light made the noise, we're so sad to say." Then Baby Bear saw there was nothing to fear. He climbed from his bed and started walking near. Buzz smiled and said, "I'm Buzz and that's Ollie." Baby Bear answered, "Hello, my name's Wally." When Wally asked Dad, "Can I play with my friends? We promise to be quiet. We won't wake you again. We'll be so careful not to make any noise. We'll talk in a whisper as we play with our toys." Daddy Bear said, "I suppose it's all right. Just remember that for bears, it's the middle of the night." Buzz and Ollie often visit the cave. They play there with Wally, and they always behave. They sometimes say to Wally, "What shall we do?" To which Wally replies, "It's all up to you." They just play in his house when Daddy's asleep. They use their soft voices, and they don't make a peep.